Imagine this: you search the internet for what you want, and you make money in the process. You search again, and you make money. You make others to search the net, and boom, you earn money. You will earn up to $2,520 in a day just by getting others to click the search button. As they click one button, you earn 20 cents. They click 5 buttons, and you earn $1. They click 100 times, you earn $20. 1,000 times, and $200 is in your account. This is an opportunity for you to earn free cash, to buy the fancy things you want in life. It is the chance to go on vacation with free online money. You will travel to Dubai and other nice places around the world. If you set up this system, money will continue flowing into your account, even if you don't click anything again. Because, if others click on your link, you will make money. As they search the web, you make money. You will keep making money all the time. When you click or don't even click on any button, you will make money. This system will work for you whether you are from Africa, Asia, and Australia, Europe or US. You can make money with this website that I am about to show you in this video with just your Android or iPhone. You don't need computer or any fancy gadget to get started on this platform. Before I will show you this website, I welcome you to Online Bucks, where we teach you how to make money easily and legitimately. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to have access to more videos on making money online. Now, the website I will like you to visit is Entireweb.com. Here, at their homepage, you can see that they are a search engine. This means they are like Google or Bing and other search engines around. You can put in your search queries here and get results for your search. Presently, they have more than 9,360,282 users from more than 100 countries around the world. They are a fast-growing search engine, and the good thing is that unlike Google, where you don't earn anything for searching the web, here the case is different. In this search engine, you have the opportunity to make money on this platform, searching the web, and getting others to search the web too. If you want to make money on this website, you will have to first come to this menu bar here and click. You then will select Affiliate and then click. You will then be taken to this page, where you will earn 20 cents for every click on your referral link. You will get paid for every visit you refer to this free search engine submission service. Your referrals don't need to buy anything on the website for you to make money on them. As they click on your referral link to the Entireweb.com website, you make money. 1 click, 20 cents, 10 clicks, $2. If you refer 100 people, you will earn $20. For 1,000, you will earn $200. You will keep making money anytime someone clicks on your link and was redirected to the website. As you can see here, you will get paid 20 cents for every visit through your affiliate link. The system has a high conversion rate. It is open to everyone irrespective of your location. Above all, it is easy to get started on this platform. If you are receiving value from this video, please smash the like button now. You will get to see more money making videos from this channel. Okay, now, this is how it works on this channel. You will need to sign up and get a referral link. Then you share your link on any platform. When anyone clicks on your referral link, and it leads them to Entireweb.com, you earn money. You will make money on your link, even after someone clicks, and later return to the website after a long time. The system will still track your link and pay you for your referral. The good thing about this system of referral is that you don't need a website. You can even post your link on your social media account like Facebook, internet forums, tweets. Just about anything that will let you put your link for others to click and be taken to their website. And you will be paid for every click. Simple. This is a very great way to make cool cash, even while you are sleeping. You will get to keep 100% of your earnings on their system. They have a very high conversion rate. You will be able to cash out your earnings through PayPal. Sure, you will be making thousands of dollars when you send in more people every month to this platform. As a caution, you should avoid any form of sharp practices like using a spam mail. if you want to keep earning from this website. Now, if you are watching this video up to this time, it means you are receiving value from this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you have not done so already. This will make you have access to more videos on making money online from this channel. Now, to get started earning money from this website, click on Create Account here, and you will be taken to this page where you will fill in your personal information. You will input your first name here, then your last name here. Your username, which should be your email, will go here. Your password here, and then confirm password here. The next thing is your country, and then click on Sign Up button to submit your application. As you can see here, it is free to join the program. Getting started is very easy. There is very high conversion rate. Minimum payment for affiliate is $100. You will get to apply from anywhere. If you have a website, then this website will help you monetize your traffic and turn it to profit. Now, let me sign up already to guide you on what you will need to do to earn this $2,520 every day from this website. First, I will come up to the registration form here and then type in my first name. Then, I will type in my last name here. I will leave the tracking ID, it is optional. I will then put in my username, which is my email ID. I will then input my new password. Then I will retype the password here. Then, I will scroll down here to this section. Additional information. I will select my country here. As you can see here, all the countries of this world are available for selection here. I will then agree to the terms here, and then click on Sign Up here. Yes, now I have successfully signed up and have received this welcome note from Entireweb.com. I will then need to check my email for the confirmation mail to activate my account. After checking my mail and confirming my email, I was able to open my dashboard here. And as you can see here, this is my general referral link. And if I scroll down here, you will see everything that is available for me on this platform. I will go ahead to click, copy and paste the link on my social media handles, and immediately begin to earn money whenever anyone clicks on my links and is directed to Entireweb. Ciao.